Hello and welcome to our podcast. We're glad you're here. In this episode, we'll explore interesting ideas, share insights, and bring you stories that matter. So, sit back, relax, and enjoy the conversation. Today we are talking about how to become an ESOL teacher, a quick guide. Becoming an ESOL, English for speakers of other languages, teacher is a rewarding career path that allows you to help non-native English speakers improve their language skills. As an ESOL teacher, you will work with students of various ages and backgrounds, helping them achieve their educational, professional, and personal goals through learning English. Whether you teach in a school, a language center, or online, you'll play a crucial role in your students' lives. This guide will take you through the steps to become an ESOL teacher, covering the qualifications, skills, and experiences you need to succeed. Let's get started. How to become an ESOL teacher. In this section, we'll explore everything you need to know about how to become an ESOL teacher, from gaining the right qualifications to finding your first job. Point 1. Understand the role of an ESOL teacher. Before pursuing a career in ESOL teaching, it's important to understand what the job entails. ESOL teachers work with students who are learning English as a second or additional language. Your students may be immigrants, refugees, international students, or professionals looking to improve their English skills. Key responsibilities include planning and delivering lessons that focus on speaking, listening, reading, and writing skills, assessing students' language abilities and tracking their progress, adapting teaching methods to suit individual learning styles and needs, creating a supportive classroom environment, helping students understand cultural nuances and idioms in English, preparing students for language proficiency exams. ESOL teaching requires patience, empathy, and strong communication skills. You must be able to connect with students from diverse backgrounds and foster a positive learning experience. Point 2. Decide where you want to teach. ESOL teaching can take place in many settings, and it's important to identify where you want to work. Here are the main contexts: public and private schools. ESOL teachers work in elementary, middle, and high schools, supporting students alongside their regular classes. Adult education centers. These settings focus on adults who need to improve their English for work or everyday life. Universities and colleges teach international students or help non-native speakers meet language requirements. Language schools. Language centers cater to learners of all ages and skill levels, often focusing on immersive English experiences. Online platforms teach students from anywhere in the world through virtual classes, often with flexible schedules. Deciding where you want to teach will guide the qualifications and certifications you pursue. For example, teaching in a public school may require a degree and/or state teaching license, while private centers or online teaching may have different requirements. Point 3. Earn an English teaching certification. One thing you will almost certainly need to become an ESOL teacher is an English teaching certification. To enhance your qualifications, consider obtaining a certification specifically for teaching English as a second or foreign language. The most recognized certifications include TFL, TESOL, and CELTA. Each has its own focus, but all prepare you to teach English effectively. Types of certifications: TFL, teaching English as a foreign language, ideal for teaching English abroad or in language schools. TESOL, teaching English to speakers of other languages, combines aspects of both TFL and ESL, suitable for teaching in various contexts. CELTA, Certificate in English Language Teaching to Adults, a highly regarded certification offered by Cambridge. Ideal if you're thinking of making a career out of English teaching. how to obtain an English teaching certification, choose a reputable course provider, look for accredited programs with a solid reputation. Private institutes, colleges, and universities offer these courses, both in person and online. Complete the training. Most courses require 120 hours of study, including teaching practice. The training covers lesson planning, classroom management, English grammar, and teaching techniques. Pass the assessments. You will be assessed through teaching practice, written assignments, and exams. Having one of these certifications not only boosts your employability but also provides you with practical skills that are directly applicable in the classroom. Here are some of the best online TEFL courses to help you get started. Point 4. Obtain a bachelor's degree, optional asterisk. While this isn't always essential, many ESOL teaching positions require a bachelor's degree. Your degree doesn't necessarily have to be in education or English, but degrees in English, linguistics, education, or a related field are highly valued. Steps to take during your degree: take relevant courses, focus on linguistics, English language, education, and cultural studies, gain teaching experience, volunteer as a tutor or teacher's assistant, or get involved in language clubs. This experience will boost your resume and give you a taste of what teaching involves. Study abroad or travel. Exposure to different cultures will enhance your understanding of language learning challenges. If you already have a degree in an unrelated field, don't worry, you can still become an ESOL teacher by completing relevant certifications and gaining experience. If you can't get a degree, you'll still be able to find work in certain countries provided you've got an English teaching certification. There are also a number of online English teaching jobs that don't require a degree. Point 5. Gain teaching experience. Experience is key to becoming a successful ESOL teacher. While many certification programs include teaching practice, gaining additional experience will help you stand out. Here are some ways to build your teaching portfolio. Volunteer. Offer your services to local community centers, language schools, or online tutoring platforms. Internships and assistantships. Some schools and language centers offer paid or unpaid internships, which are great for gaining hands-on experience. Teach abroad. Teaching English abroad is a popular option for new teachers. It offers the chance to immerse yourself in a different culture while gaining valuable experience. Use these opportunities to refine your teaching methods, learn classroom management skills, and adapt to different learning styles. Point 6. Consider earning a master's degree, optional. While not always necessary, a master's degree in TESOL, applied linguistics, or education can open up more advanced teaching positions, such as at the college level or in curriculum design. Benefits of a master's degree include advanced knowledge and skills, deepen your understanding of language acquisition, teaching methodologies, and educational theory. Higher earning potential. Advanced degrees often lead to higher salaries and leadership roles. Specialization opportunities. Focus on areas like curriculum development, assessment, or teaching English for specific purposes, e.g., business English. If you're considering teaching in higher education or pursuing leadership roles, a master's degree can be a valuable investment. Point 7. Develop key skills for ESOL teaching. Effective ESOL teachers possess a blend of skills that go beyond language proficiency. Here are some key skills to develop. Communication skills. Clearly explain complex language concepts in a way that students can understand. Patience and empathy. Language learning is challenging. Patience helps you support students who may struggle. Creativity. Use engaging materials and activities to make lessons interactive and enjoyable. Cultural awareness. understand and respect students' backgrounds, and be sensitive to cultural differences. Classroom management. Keep your class organized, and manage student behavior to maintain a positive learning environment. Improving these skills will help you create a successful and engaging learning experience for your students. Point 8. Obtain state licensure, if required. If you plan to teach ESOL in a public school in the U.S., you may need a state teaching license. Licensing requirements vary by state but generally include completing a state-approved teacher preparation program. This may be part of your bachelor's degree or completed separately, passing relevant exams. Many states require exams that test your knowledge of teaching and English, submitting background checks. Most states require a criminal background check as part of the licensure process. Check your state-specific requirements to ensure you meet all the criteria. Point 9. Apply for ESOL teaching positions. Once you have the necessary qualifications and experience, it's time to start applying for jobs. Here's how to get started. Create a strong resume and cover letter. Highlight your education, certifications, and teaching experience. Tailor your application to each job, emphasizing relevant skills. Search for job openings. Use job boards, school websites, and professional networks like LinkedIn to find opportunities. Language schools, community centers, and online platforms often post openings regularly. Prepare for interviews. Be ready to discuss your teaching philosophy, classroom management strategies, and experience with diverse learners. Some employers may ask you to conduct a demo lesson. Networking with other ESOL professionals and joining professional organizations, such as TESOL International Association, can also help you learn about job openings and connect with potential employers. Point 10. Continue professional development. Teaching is a career that requires lifelong learning. Stay updated with the latest teaching techniques, language learning theories, and educational technology by pursuing professional development opportunities. Ways to continue your growth. Attend workshops and conferences. Events hosted by TESOL associations provide valuable learning and networking opportunities. Join professional organizations. Groups like TESOL International Association offer resources, webinars, and a community of fellow teachers. Take advanced courses. Consider additional certifications in areas like teaching English online, business English, or exam preparation. Reflect on your teaching practice. Regularly assess what works in your classroom and what can be improved. Continuing to develop your skills will keep you motivated and ensure that you provide the best possible education to your students. Point 11. Understand the challenges of ESOL teaching. While teaching ESOL is rewarding, it also comes with challenges. Being aware of these can help you prepare. Language barriers. Students may have difficulty understanding instructions, requiring you to use visual aids and simplified language. Diverse learning needs. You will work with students of varying skill levels, ages, and cultural backgrounds, each needing different support. Emotional support. Some students may feel frustrated or overwhelmed. Providing encouragement and creating a safe space is crucial. Adapting to different contexts. Whether teaching online, in a classroom, or abroad, you must be flexible and adapt your methods accordingly. Approaching these challenges with a positive attitude and problem-solving mindset will help you become a more effective teacher. Point 12. Embrace the rewards of ESOL teaching. Despite the challenges, the rewards of being an ESOL teacher are plentiful. Teaching ESOL also offers a dynamic and varied career. You can work with children, adults, or professionals, in your home country or abroad, and even explore areas like curriculum development or teacher training. The skills you gain are highly transferable, opening up opportunities across the education and training sectors. You will witness firsthand the progress your students make, from mastering basic phrases to confidently engaging in conversations. You'll help them achieve their academic and professional goals, and your impact will extend far beyond the classroom. This can feel extremely satisfying when your teaching positively contributes to your students' lives. Conclusion: becoming an ESOL teacher is a fulfilling journey that allows you to make a positive impact on the lives of others. By following these steps, gaining the right qualifications, building experience, and continually developing your skills, you can embark on a rewarding career. Whether you're teaching in a classroom or connecting with students online, you'll play a crucial role in helping others learn English and navigate the English-speaking world. Now is the perfect time to take the first step toward becoming an ESOL teacher. Start your journey today and inspire the next generation of English learners.